What's going on, guys? It's Craig Tech 360. Today we're going to talk about this error code on the ProFusion IS. Alright, so first and foremost, take a click on this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So this is obviously the ProFusion IS, and obviously you have the error code 33 as well. Now, don't panic too much because it's not really a serious deal. All it means is that it's trying to play music from a folder that has no music in it. So basically what it looks like is that you may have been trying to download maybe a music package of some sort, whether it be online or through CD, and it went to download and something happened, maybe the internet was interrupted, or something happened and it caused an interruption in the download, which now it throws an error code basically saying like, hey, I know I'm supposed to be playing music from this specific folder, but now there's no music in that folder, so error code 33. And usually it'll lock out like this. Sometimes you can tinker with the buttons over here a little bit to get it to break loose out of that, and then maybe change to a different folder, music or whatever. Or you can go back in and you can go on the back side where there's a button and you can turn it off and reset it and start over. And a lot of times that'll clear it out, but sometimes it won't. But a lot of times you could go in and you go like right here, like change. You hit the center button over here, and I'll bring up this one. And you hit change music. You just go like this one. We'll go classical holiday. How about that? Or easy instrumental. Screw it. We'll call on that one. So now it's going to play on that now. So basically, what it means is that when it tried to load a folder with music in it, it basically said, okay, well, I see the folder, but there's no music in the folder. So and that's what throws the error 33. So whatever you were trying to download, you may have to do it again. So that's it. That's what causes the error 33 in ProFusion IS.